yes, we don't come back, and today is still our Motivational Monday, and we get a very casual person for inside the building. Yes, every Monday we bring different guests where BC go actually motivate your day on top different issues, different walks of life. And today we get one very special person. We hail from Abia State. She go by the name Elsie Godwin, and she na bloggist. Yes, she dey blog for a living. She dey write. She dey talk like us, but only say her talk now with hand. She dey use do am. She dey for inside the studio today. Elsie, how you dey?
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm fine. Wait.
Wait.
I did well.
Okay. You dey
Don't worry, I go understand the PG personal.
Okay.
That's all now.
We go there watch them. So actually, we did very happy say you joined us for Inside Studio. But concerning this blogging issue, you know, all of a sudden for Inside Nigeria, bless you, everybody don't turn blogger now.
So I want to ask you. Now. We need to buy rich.
Are you talking? So I want to ask you, how exactly you find yourself for inside this blogging issue?
Blogging no be waiting I plan. Say I sit down, I know those kinds of very good thing from childhood. Say I want blog, I want be doctor, I want be this. I no plan say I go blog. It just happened, and I say at the blog. When I start blogging, I don't see blogging as something to make money from, or say I go be. Even when you call me blogger at that time, they vex me because I feel say. Waiting the blogger, you understand? So I just say mine is just there for me personal thing. I just write whatever I feel. Anyhow I see I might write and like that. And people feel say, I like the way they talk here. When they talk about say I'm blunt, the heat just increase, and I felt okay, this is good. And friends, bloggers, how will I call them now? People where they coach bloggers then. They'll tell you, okay, you need to do this is how to go about it, make commercial, you know. From there, we did where we did today, and
you don't chop money from inside.
We did try, but we never buy range.
I don't worry, the range goes. Just to ask you, what do you actually blog about? Because you know people they blog about different things, food, fashion. What do you blog about? Current affairs or?
My blog now, anything will make sense. Lifestyle, relationship, gist. And I make sure say the gist must be casual, it must be authentic. I know if you hear say person do this or one person do this, I just carry and put for there. It has to have a meaning, you understand? It has to tell you, okay, if you read and finish, you go take something back. You feel, okay, this is what I learned from this blog, I go need to come back here, you know, things like that. I don't just carry gossip, say person buy this one, carry and put there, person they
so
show.
what do you say about the video fight?
The video, we don't tire for the video. It go grow, it go change. It go change.
At what age?
Very soon.
When you complete 22?
And 22 finish. Since he come out now 22, Whiskey now 21 since when he come outside.
I'm 19, I don't say don't use 22. So as they go 22, 20, it go change.
So your as you blog, how you take get the authenticity? I mean that authentication of your gist. Because it's not you know if you just carry any gist put. How you tell me say this gist though now authentic it be?
My blog no be mainly celebrity gist. It be mostly research and things where I write about.
Okay.
So it's mostly authentic, and I get many writers who do my blog. They will all feel say, okay, we like your platform, we want to make our thing there your blog, get this sort of stuff. So basically, I know say now this person write them. So he did there. So it's not just gist or celeb. It's actually authentic. And when we get things from other sites, start the research thing on how to do some certain things, we need to refer the place where we get them from. Say, now this new research day, now like this, if we use this one, do. So it's always authentic, I assure you.
Okay. So get one argument where we they argue for it. Okay. Not long ago. This is our last story.
I get one girl for inside which state again? Ogbonge. We talk say since when she's for about 4 years, say she they see one man where they come swearing with him. For you we no waiting be swearing, they can't touch light and for maybe daytime or nighttime.
Man meets woman.
Then they share the same bed.
Share.
Then they do touching body.
They feel no do one for bed.
No
Maybe
bed.
No, they try make her understand. And then she said the man go come, she go see him, and then he go change to snake, and he go use that snake for and take swearing.
The man and change to snake.
Yes.
No, not really like Malam, Fulani, and she talking.
Fulani. Okay, Fulani. And then she can't get Beleive from that relationship.
Episode.
Okay, na episode. Okay, she get Beleive from that episode. And when she, not be you know, and for that when she can't born the pikin can't get 2 teeth. You know say
As a just born.
as them born her, them born her with 2 teeth. And you know say snake they get
fangs.
So
you believe in
you
those
believe
stories?
the story.
Nothing wey no dey happen for this world now. So, like me, I go feel say I believe say spiritual things dey happen. Things dey happen for the other side wey we no dey see. But how the snake take dey touch him body, the girl when they turn to snake? Now the question wey me I get be that. Because if you say na the Fulani man now come do am, I go say okay.
No, she said the man go come, he go do am. But when the man won't finish, when he don't finish, go if he dey come out now with snake, he go change.
Okay,
the
but
snake.
when he come in, he go turn to woman being.
Now Fulani man, they come as Fulani man.
Man.
Yes,
but when
he don't finish,
he go
go as
snake. So people no go see him. He go come out as snake. Ah,
Or when people see and they go run, fear.
It's
possible.
Impossible.
So if you carry this kind of story, put for
so
your
what if
blog.
she go use the pikin do now?
The pikin
What
don
she
die.
say?
The pikin don
Don
They say when them born and pastor pray for the pikin, the following day, the following day,
yeah, the pikin die.
bye.
You guys think that pastor go fit give us that kind of gist as the thing wey you want as pastor don't pray where he die. The pastor go tell us wetin he see and wetin he
Some
see.
people go say me they arrest that pastor.
I tell you.
Why then go
Yeah.
Why?
arrest
What did
Why?
pastor do?
All right.
What did pastor do?
Pastor pray.
But I mean, as you pray finish, you can't die. You explain to us what you tell your spirit.
No.
Abu na come carry the
They are
pikin.
not dey the same word now.
How we want to know? Test our spirit, we not testing you.
Shebi pastor say dem be light. This one now, you feel say na darkness, na snake dey, you know. So whether in light overshadow the darkness, we don't know.
Okay.
But na pastor fit explain this one.
Okay, on a lighter note, I want to ask you. Okay, so Elsie, for instance, now you get opportunity to meet Barack Obama, you meet Aliko Dangote, and you meet Femi Otedola.
And Tinubu.
No, just 3. Leave Tinubu out of the matter. Leave my Baba out of the matter. So
Yes,
you
Tiana's
meet
daddy.
these 3 people, these 3 very special people for inside the matter. Who you go date? Who you go marry? Who you go throw away?
Wait, come again. Barack Obama, Aliko Dangote, and
Femi
Otedola.
Otedola.
who I go date,
Who you go marry?
who I go marry,
And who you go throw away?
who I go throw away.
Gang.
I go marry Obama now.
Then who you go throw away? I really want to know that one.
Who
Very
remain for
interested
the
in that.
dating?
Aliko Dangote and Femi
Otedola.
Otedola.
Tell you that fine. Go date am.
Okay, you go
So
there.
they
Then you
don't-
go throw away Aliko Dangote.
But one thing you supposed to know,
Which
because
is man
Obama
Africa.
no get money rich.
You know
I
matter.
tell
He
you.
sabi,
Dangote.
you know how to treat woman. He sabi.
That one
Wetin
na
you dey
bobo.
see?
You don't treat am before. Abi don't
Na
treat you
the
before.
one wey I see now at all.
Ah,
Even the Aliko Dangote, no be the one wey you see you talk.
Nah.
From the one wey I see, he sabi, you know.
He's a gentleman.
He's a gentleman.
He's a gentleman.
So that one, even if money no dey, we go see the, you know.
just
they
to
love am.
ask, just to ask you
Be
this
like say you be
particular
Amaka
one.
sister.
We don't say plenty. Sorry, just to ask you this one where I always want to know. We don't say plenty blogs on the all around. Plenty people. Today now our motivational Monday. Which advice you could give anybody where they out there, where they watch us now, we want going into blogging?
I go tell you say blogging no be joke. I go see say e be like say that time wey our madam show her range. Everybody.
You
be-
are
Now,
this
this is our
range.
madam.
No, the truth is you can't talk about blogging without talking about her. That's the truth. But everybody begin blog. I read somewhere that almost 3,000 blog opened that period. You understand? But the truth is say blogging na hard work. I give her kudos. It fit take you from all your social life. You need to be online. You need to hit it at every time. You need to know, okay, this is
And
what
you
is
get
happening.
plenty
now.
enemies.
That one a short thing. That one a short thing.
How
Even
many
when you
enemies
dey
you
do
get?
your own opinion, you know, call person matter put, they will carry am for their head, saying that there you dey talk about. So that one a normal thing. If you no wan get enemy, no just even normal work sef you go get enemy. So which one? Blogging na sure enemy. So I go say make you just ask yourself whether you wan blog. You fit blog. No be say because they just call am blog na easy thing. Shebi na phone you go carry am post. It's hard work. So if you sure say you wan blog and you can do it, then seek professional advice.
Yeah.
Seek professional
Okay,
advice.
so before we waka go another place, I just want sunshine cocoa of the day. Get what they call cocoa of the day. And you did very fortunate to be in studio today where I will ask this question.
Fear the cash.
Very simple.
It's
Ah!
like, I know now.
Why be saying about cocoa of the day? Fear
I
we
know
just the cash them. Okay. May I just land straight to my cocoa of the day? And you know hard. It's very simple.
As a simple talk.
As in, you think say they okay make woman sacrifice her career for marriage?
To get successful marriage.
To get successful marriage, that she need to sacrifice her career, make she forget a successful marriage. As me, I use you now, as they blog now, maybe somehow you just take all your mind and heart and soul, say you won't do this blogging. But because you don't see husband, and the husband say, no, I need you to be a successful housewife. So me, you drop your career. So you go drop that career, make your marriage successful.
But I said I don't blog about this thing one time.
Ah, okay.
The thing be say, marriage, I never marry you, okay? But the thing be say, as a woman, for me, if you feel say you want to successful and still be a professional person, you have to be multitasking. Yes. Okay? And person suppose know waiting go come first and waiting go come last or second or wherever you want put them. And I believe say if you don't know say this na the lane where you want pass, you go try make sure say you get man wey support that dream with you and know say okay, when this comes to this, I suppose help and do this kind of thing. We go put this kind of thing for this kind of measure to know say you go work and all those kind of thing. That's what works. But if you feel so okay, you dey blog now, I meet person because I say I want my. You know say this person no like blog. You no like anything entertainment. He don't tell you from beginning, no. And you say I want my. You know, you can't enter. You can't say you want the blog. It doesn't make sense now. You gonna say, now this thing I want to do, now this kind of person will support me. Everybody get their own perception. Everybody get their own mentality. We don't grow from the same home. You go see man, we go tell you say, I beg my wife no fit do anything. If you work, but no fit do anything social media.
Yeah.
So we can say, my wife now full housewife you must be. I go provide everything. So you go make sure say if na this lane you want, find person self will go follow you go that lane. Because me I don't believe say I fit drop my blogging because of man. Except say I don't tire. I don't get the whole money I invest on top. I can't say I don't buy the range. I can't say I want
you go buy Bugatti because range go down there.
Yeah, buy Bugatti.
But for what you they talk now, as in your career get nothing to do with successful marriage.
No, it doesn't. It's the person. Even when you have a successful career, to me, it doesn't stop you from respecting your husband.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You just have to respect your husband.
Same here. Same here.
And you know, respect is reciprocal.
Yeah, yes. I know if you say I go school because my own school, I go school. Normally my course now 4 years, then I go to school for 8 years. We strike for like 3 years, then I go service. Yes, now. So in between now, then I go service for 1 year. That's 8 years totally. If you check them, 8 years now they go university. Where some people actually do 4 years and they go out 4 years.
Some people
so you can't tell me make I dust
for that period.
Well, so make I dust my certificate, then keep them inside house. Then go they answer you, sir, ma, no, yes. My brother, we go frustrate ourselves together. Because if mistakenly he felt lie to me, say, oh, don't worry, just, you know, say some they lie.
Yes.
They go tell you, say, no, first get 2 children. First, when you don't get 2 children, born them, rush them, or go tell you, rush them, born. You go born out. When you don't born out, you can't tell you, say, you know what, no. You know, she say, junior like to stay near him mother. You have to really make time for junior. Me, I go frustrate. You two of us go frustrate.
Okay, so on top of the matter, our social media people, they shook their mouth. They give their own opinion on top of our Facebook page. At Young Charasi, your names, yeah. That one just talk, no. Desmond Diano say, Edogun say, no, that one a suicide mission. No. The person go just die of hunger. Ella Bright Lucy, she say, lie, the man go use the person do yeah. Rollin Sulaiman Atkins, that one talk say, how person go sacrifice career for marriage? I beg that one before, during my great grandma time. Nowadays, the women of substance, men they pray to marry.
Yes, so.
Tijani Isiaka, he say if you sacrifice your career, now waiting you want to do, now mumu be that.
See, because these men these days,
yes,
when they want to introduce you to their, even if girlfriend, they say, oh, meet my girlfriend, she works at Wazobia TV.
They're going to allow them. Yes, so let me lie you. Even the people when maybe person don't know Wazobia TV, they say, you don't know Wazobia TV. Oh, now Wazobia FM, they don't get TV station. She get one show, now she they drive the show.
I tell you, all right, time don't actually go. Just to end with this our motivational quote of the day. Our greatest weakness, now when we give up, the best way to succeed, now to try again. Thomas Edison actually bring that.
Keep trying.
Yes, keep
just
trying.
Like what she talk. It to say that time when she did write the blog, people no pick interest. It to say maybe somebody go down discourage them for one way she write. Go down say, I beg waiting this one the right, I beg. But it no stop you. Continue. One day that person will go push you to that main place. God go push and come your side. So
hallelujah.
Right,
preach
it. But I also when we call you next time, you go come. Because we need to chook mouth inside plenty matters there. I trust you. All right, my name is Joliment Uvi Ehigan. So we're going to meet you tomorrow. Real Life Issues Day. Hope say you don't ready to hear all the yarners tomorrow.
Oh yes, my name is Betiana Unweli, and this one au revoir till tomorrow.
Now bye. My name na Maka Oku, therefore it never change.
All right, so we look forward to Tuesday. Today on Don't Come Out. yes, I don't tire. Yes,
Meanwhile,
we need to say no
we need to say yeah, we need to say no to xenophobia. The things where they happen with our South African brothers for the other side, where they say them just they
kill them like it's tomorrow, not day. They send foreigners away from their country because this one a black oh. Not saying a white man, not black. We don't fight appetite, but still we're still living. We still there.
Funny enough, my South African friend in Nigeria.
You can imagine.
As in she does a cry like say why? Why? Someone go send her
So
go back.
We are saying no to the attacks in South
No
Africa.
to xenophobia. We say no
and
to the
still
attacks of Africans.
They pledge peace.
We pledge peace for we country, peace.
Yeah.
I should always talk no be bad thing, but
Make it know what you to talk about.
Make she talk about her.
to talk no be bad thing,
Talk maybe batting.
but make you know wetin you dey talk
Make
about.
you know what you talk about.
Bye.